everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today you guys, I am standing in the space in which I will be creating a vignette, and this is part of a challenge that is called the Pink Summer Decor Challenge. And the host for this challenge, you all know her as the Vignette Queen, Antonette, over at Decorating Place. She has three amazing and very talented co-hosts, and that would be Pretty Inspired Decor, Shelly, Glam Queen of DIY, Tammy, and Mystylesmycolours. I will leave all of their information in my description. Once you're done here visiting with me, as I show and share with you how I create my vignette in this space here, I would love for you to go over and visit their channels, show them so much love, let them know that you are there because I asked you to do so, and then please check out the playlist link of all of the other creators. Now when you click on that playlist link, it is going to show you all of the other participants. Please go through and just shower and show so much love, as we are all creators here on this platform and we are here to show and share love. So you guys, I will continue to decorate and I hope you will enjoy what I come up with. So continue watching. And we're going to start off by this beautiful beauty here. Isn't she gorgeous? Okay, you guys, so if any of you are wondering where I found this beauty, well, I found her at the Z Gallery website, and it is called the Peacock Canister. And it actually has the top that goes on top of it, but I'm not going to use the top today. I'm just going to place it along the side, but I am draping it with this beautiful greenery and those beautiful pink roses, as we are as this is part of the Pink Decor Challenge, and part of the challenge was to decorate any space of our home using the color of pink and any other colors that you choose. So I am going to go with the pink roses and greenery as far as my florals, and yes, faux florals, but absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm trying to do here is get this beautiful long stem rose to do as I need it to do in this vase. So you guys continue to watch, and I hope you're enjoying it thus far. Isn't this a beautiful green? And it just lays so well. So I'm going to place this here in the corner. It's just a matter of working it and getting them to act right. And then we're just going to place the top right against this here. Just going to have this little plate here. And these are the candle holders that I shared with you guys during my shopping haul, that I picked these up from Hobby Lobby. So I've just added some green with here. And what I'm going to do. And this is just to show you how quickly you can make a space in your home beautiful without a lot of hassle, not a lot of fuss, just gathering together a few things and making it pretty. Okay, you guys, this is my look number one. And as you can see, I have my beautiful vase here, draped over with that beautiful greenery. And you guys, this greenery it's just some lovely, free-flowing greenery. And I have my beautiful roses in the canister there. Also, I have these rose um, candle rings, and these were I find from, I think, Joann's. This plate that you see there, that is a Pure One find many years ago. So you guys, these are things that I already have or already have in my arsenal, and I did not have to go out and buy anything to create this space for this collaboration. Now, you guys, if you're new to my channel, let me say that I welcome you here and I thank you so much for stopping by. And for those of you that continue to show so much love and support, I thank you, I appreciate you, and I love you guys right back. So continue to watch look number one and stay tuned for look number two. So you guys, for look number two, I've added in this glamorous cake stand that I picked up from Ross a while back, and I removed those gold crystal candle holders and added more roses to the vase. So guys, let me know which look you like better, look number one or look number two. Now, if you're new to my channel, this is your first time here, I welcome you. I thank you so much for clicking that button to stop by to see what it was that I was offering today. And if you would like to become a part of my family and see more decorating styles and ideas such as this, now's the perfect time to hit that red subscribe button. Tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. And for your continuous support, I thank you all so very much.